Good morning, Room 15. It is Monday, May 11th, 2020. We are going to be starting a new unit in Benchmark. So we are wrapping up our unit about inventors, and we are moving on to what is Unit 8 in Benchmark, which is called Wind and Water Change Earth. So we are going to be learning a little bit about science and focusing on changes in the earth. So here's a video that I wanted to show you to kind of introduce our unit.
Wind and water change Earth. Earth's landscape is constantly changing. Wind and water erosion can damage Earth. Hurricanes can flood towns and cause beach erosion. Tornadoes can damage homes and rip trees out of the ground. Wind and water can also create and add beautiful landforms to Earth over time. How do we react to changes in nature?
Okay, so that is kind of a look of what we're going to be learning. So if you saw some things in that video, we will be discussing like hurricanes and floods and tornadoes and changes to the earth. Okay, so now that you have an idea, this is what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be reading about volcanoes. And then you're going to be reading a first story in Benchmark. So you would want to click on that picture, and then you can read this this text. So I'm going to read it aloud for you, just in case if you need that. Okay, so volcano. Under Earth's crust is a layer of large rocky plates called the mantle. These plates shift and move around. Sometimes plates push against each other with so much force that one plate slides on top of the other. This causes the mantle to melt and push up, melting even more rock. The heat and pressure build until a vent or crack opens in the crust. This causes an eruption. An erupting volcano spews hot gas, rocks, and ash. Molten rock or lava flows down the volcano, changing the landscape forever. So once you're done reading that, you're going to be going to 2-column notes. I'm sorry, let me go back. There we go. Okay, so this is where you'll be able to see it larger. And then on page 2 is your 2-column notes. So you're going to be writing about what you read about volcanoes. Okay, so what causes volcanoes to erupt? Volcanoes erupt because blank. So you need to add a text box right here. Please write that complete sentence. How do volcanoes affect the land? This affects the land by blank because blank. So if you don't remember, you need to go back here and look in the text on how the volcano affects the land. Okay? And then what is another fact you learn about volcanoes? So if you want to get rid of this stuff down here, I actually don't know how you get rid of this, but if you can see right here, it says another fact I learned about volcanoes is, so that's what it says down there. Okay, so once you're done with that, please make sure you write a complete sentence, okay? You can read these directions if you forget, and then you may click the green check when you are done.